In this guide, I will show you how to download and install Roblox on your PC easily. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.roblox.com. If you don't already have a Roblox account, click Sign Up to create one. Next, click Login at the top right and enter your username and password. Once logged in, you will be able to access the Roblox platform. Find a game you want to play and click the green Play button. A pop-up will appear asking you to download and install Roblox. Click Download. The Roblox Player installer will be saved to your PC. Now open the Roblox Player Launcher.exe file you just downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Roblox. Once installed, click OK to finish the setup. Go back to the Roblox website and select a game, click Play, and Roblox will launch automatically. If Roblox doesn't launch, try restarting your browser. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, allow Roblox to open when prompted. Keep Roblox updated for the best experience. Now you are all set to enjoy Roblox and explore thousands of games. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will be happy to help. Subscribe for more gaming tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.